Hello, and welcome to another exciting edition of the Red Pot Chef. Today I'm your host, the Red Pot Chef, and today's episode is titled Guess Who's Coming to Dinner? I have a very special guest in the house, and I'm excited to have this person visiting to have dinner today. And I'm going to let the guest come over and introduce himself. But before I do that, you know I always have to prepare myself. And I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to put on my Red Pot Chef apron. Okay, so let me put on my apron. Stay over there, guest. We're not ready for you yet. All right. I got to wait to get some views. Okay, I got one like. I need to see who's there. We have Jimmy Witherspoon all the way from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I got Herbert Morris here. All right, okay. Herbert, guess who's here? Herbert is all the way from Fort Lauderdale. I got Elder Cedric Wright, churches in Miami. I got to tell you, this is going to be so good. All right, special guest. While I am washing my hands, I want my special guest to come on over here and introduce yourself. Come on, introduce yourself. We got some people on now. They are watching. Come on, special guest. Look who's here, guys.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Read the comments.
I'm trying to read them.
You're trying to read the comments.
How y'all doing?
Who you got here?
I know Mr. Moore's got to say something.
Oh, that's right. All right, now, to our special guest. I'm just going to put it
on deck.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to let you handle this.
Okay, hold on, no. Okay. Now, to our special guest, what did we have for breakfast this morning?
Pancakes.
Come on.
We had pancakes.
Pancakes.
We had sausage.
Bacon.
Eggs. And what else? What else? I think that was it for breakfast this morning.
It was good?
It was good, really good.
Okay, and as an extension to breakfast, we're going to do a little bit more breakfast for our special guest today. Who's the best cook that you know?
Oh, you is.
I am?
I ain't gonna lie, he is.
Okay, that's
He
right.
is.
Did you guys hear that?
I'm gonna be real.
That's right. He says I'm the best cook. I'm not the best cook because your dad. I'm the best cook because what?
You know what you're doing.
I know what I'm doing, all right? And that's why they call me the Red Pot Chef. So today, instead of having pancakes, bacon, eggs, and sausage like we had this morning, we're going to have cheese grits and fish. Okay? He doesn't like fish, so he says, you know what?
Just give me some sausage and bacon.
Sausage and bacon. So we got the sausage that we're going to be cooking for him. We've got the thick cut bacon that we'll be cooking for him. Now, what's so special about this bacon?
Oh, it's good. It's $40 for 4 packs.
This bacon was $40 for 4 packs. I sent some of my friends to the grocery store.
Mr. Morris, he ain't pay me.
I sent some of my friends to the grocery store to get me some bacon. And when they got back, they were like, Sir Andre, we got you 4 packs of bacon. I said, well, how much do I owe you? They were like, $42. I was like, $42?
That's too much money.
It's too much. But you know what, Brandon?
It's good.
Was the bacon good?
It was good.
It was good. All right. So we're going to put some thick cut hickory smoked sweet bacon on the grill for Brandon. Watch, hear it. I can't really show you, but you can hear that. You hear that? Okay, and you said you also wanted
sausage, just 2. Give me 2.
2 plus 2 pieces of bacon?
Yeah, I ain't no little boy.
Oh boy, he said he's not a little boy anymore. Stay focused on the camera.
I'm staying focused.
I need you to read the comments. Who does it right there? Yate, Brandon. That's one of my coworkers that say Yate, Miss Romina.
How you doing, Yate?
Miss Romina.
Miss Romina.
Okay, and this is the fish I'm going to be preparing for myself. Okay, now with the bacon and with the sausage, you don't need any seasoning. But with the fish, okay, I'm going to put a little Lowry seasoning salt and black pepper. That's it. That's all I want on my fish. Now, stay focused, Brandon.
I'm looking at the comments.
Stay in the camera.
I am.
All right. All right. I cut my finger on one episode, and one of my viewers said, well, Mr. Andre, what you should have done was use a pair of scissors. So now I have kitchen scissors, so I won't cut my finger. Okay? Stay tuned because you guys are going to learn something from the Red Pot Chef. I'm so happy to have a visitor.
I know you is. That's why
I
you
am
have
so
your
happy to have you. Put that on the grill. You heard that. I can't really show you, but when I'm done cooking, stay focused.
I'm staying focused. I'm listening. I'm trying to read the comments to it at the same time.
Okay.
Cause everybody's so happy to see me.
I'm just... Hold on. Hold on. You know what? And I gotta say something to our special guest. All right, I sent him a picture, and he was like, "Dad, you have no hair." And guess what I said? I said, if you had sons, like I got sons, you would have no hair either. So, come here, Brandon. You guys can see where my hair went. All right?
All over here.
Yeah, you can see where my hair went. All right, this is how I guess I would look if I had some hair. Yeah, you would see that. Uh-huh. Now I gotta wash my hands again. See?
Oh my God.
Because one thing the audience knows is that Mr. Ponda, the Red Pot Chef, has a very clean kitchen. All right, now, I said to someone one day, do you know what grits are? All right, and they were like, we don't know what grits are. What are grits? I'm gonna show you what grits are, and I'm gonna show you how to prepare grits. Hey, read the comment.
I got it.
Read the comment.
Oh yeah, hey Brandon.
Grits. Hold on, Brandon. I'm doing a commercial.
No, cousin just.
Yeah, but I got to
go do commercial. I'm in there.
All right. These are Quaker grits.
Hey, Andy.
See, I know it's written backwards, but it's grits. 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 And they are ready in 5 minutes. All right? Okay?
Red Pot
grits.
Okay.
Stay right there, son.
I know. Hey, cousin Andy.
Brent, see?
I'm
Red pot.
I could be in here too, though. But
Lowry seasoning salt, black pepper. That's all I'm going to use to season the fish. A little seasoning salt. Okay. And a little black pepper. I mean, even though we're having fun because you're here, this is great to have you. But you're going to learn something.
I'm listening. I'm seeing you cook too.
You're going to learn something.
I'm going to throw me one up there too.
You've already said that I'm the best cook. All right? Now, this is how you prepare these grits, okay? On one of my shows, I always mention that I cook with bottled water. I do not use sink water. Even though it's safe, I prefer to use bottled water. So, I'm gonna put some bottled water into the pot. Okay? And you're gonna bring that to a boil, which means I've got it on high. Get close with
Yeah, I'm in there. Nobody ain't coming yet.
Okay. Now, even though I don't cook with much salt, I have to use a little bit of salt just for flavoring, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in there, not much.
Not too much, not too
Oh,
much.
not
High
too
blood
much.
pressure, not too much.
And another secret ingredient you want to put inside of grits is you want to put butter, okay?
Not for too long.
Not for too long, Brandon.
You know, he said how long you gonna be in Arizona, Brandon?
Okay.
Right.
Let the Red Pot Chef finish cooking. Maybe when he finishes dinner.
They concerned about me too.
Oh, okay. All right. You notice how I rinse off the fork when I got out of the drawer? I told you that on another show. Okay. One thing I learned in the military is that whenever you're cooking, you clean as you go. And when you clean as you go, you don't have a big mess when you're done cooking. Okay? So all of this in the sink here, I can go ahead and put it in the trash can. Okay? You clean as you go. Clean as you go. Always rinsing. Okay? And always cleaning as you go. Okay? And I'm gonna just wait for the water, the butter, and the salt to come to a boil. And when this comes to a boil, then we're gonna add the grits. Okay? I'm getting my spatula here.
I know the plane ticket was only 25.
Okay, I got my spatula here, and I'm just gonna flip Brandon's sausage, and I'm gonna flip Brandon's bacon.
Mr. Moore's inside.
I don't know what more is playing. Hey, this Lori Volti. Hey, Miss Lori, how are you? I hope you guys are learning something from the Red Pot Chef. All right. Yep. Then when I flip the fish, okay, I flip the fish, I'm gonna add just a little bit more Lowry seasoning salt and a little bit, hey, Brother Sean, and then a little bit more black pepper. Okay, hold my spatula.
All right, got you.
Just hold it. Just hold it. Don't do nothing with it.
I ain't doing
Because
nothing.
I'm the chef.
Cause they might want me to start flipping.
I'm the chef, Brandon.
I ain't gonna flip.
Thank you. Just a little pepper and a little Lowry seasoning salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, the water on the stove has come to a boil. Okay? Now, while it's still boiling, you want to go ahead and just I want you to see those grits fall in there. Okay, you don't want to put too many grits in there, because if you put too many grits in there, you have to add more water, and then you have to thin it out just a little bit. Hey, Gyro, hey, John. All right, who's he got down there?
Awesome.
All the way from the Philippines, son.
Who that is?
And the UAE. We have fans all over the world.
Okay, we're going live.
Okay? Okay? Now, you just stir the grits. You just stir them while the ingredients are boiling. Okay? You want to now turn the heat down just a little bit. Son, drop the phone.
I am. Motherfucking people worried about me right now.
Okay? Okay. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit and let it simmer. But people often ask, what else makes your grits good? I'm going to show you what makes grits good. This is my secret ingredient.
The Red Pot Chef. Everybody know about it.
Come on, son. You ready?
Listen.
Voila! Sharp cheddar cheese. You put this sharp cheddar cheese inside of the grits. See that great value? I'm gonna make it a greater value. All right. Read the colors.
I'm reading.
Okay.
They say what's cooking?
Tell them what's cooking.
Grits, sausage, fish, bacon, eggs. We got a whole lot going on right now.
Okay. You put the sharp cheese inside of the grits. And who's that? Miss Bolte. You're competing with Elton John right now. Okay.
Okay. Competition going on.
Elton can sing, okay, but I can cook. I wish I could just show them what these grits look like. Okay?
You in competition, you got somebody.
Now, what I'd also like to do inside of my grits is I like to put a little black pepper on the inside of the grits. Okay? Okay. Just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lid on and let that simmer for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, thank you for holding
No
the spatula. We're gonna flip. Then we're gonna flip again. That's the key to cooking on a grill. You have to know when to flip. Okay. Okay. I'm just turn that up just a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And again, I'm happy to be here with the Red Pot Chef, like always, my daddy, number
Yeah.
one.
And this will conclude the episode of Guess Who's Coming to Dinner. You see who's coming to dinner. I will show you the finished products when the fish is done, the bacon is done, the sausage is done, and the grits
She wants
are
to see
done.
what's on the grill.
She want to see what's on the grill? Alrighty. Before I blow you a kiss, mwah, I'm going to turn this camera around. There we go. Woo! Uh-huh. They thought I was playing, right? Uh-huh. They thought I was playing.
No, he ain't playing.
I know, right? And then, oh, open the lid. They got to see what the grits look like. Oh, they bubbling. Look at that. All right now. Just let them thicken up just a little bit.
Put it back on there.
That's it. So again, this concludes, all right now, our episode of the Red Pot Chefs. Guess Who's Coming to Dinner? Mwah. Delicious.
Son Brandon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.